All right, it's Tuesday, June 24th, just following up on the QQQs after buying some calls here on bar number 4 on the 15-minute chart that was making a 2-up bar, anticipating the highs of the day and the pre-market highs to be taken out. We got up there. I scaled out to set up an orange trade, wanted to watch price action. Just wanted to point out we didn't, falter here and start moving lower. Instead, after a slight pause, we're continuing higher, so that's a good sign that we might be continuing to our long-range target up here, possibly today, to that 540.81. However, given the grinding nature of it, and we're coming to the end of the morning hours, I decided to scale out more of this trade. I bought the 535 calls at 532. I scaled that at 580 to set up a no-risk trade at kind of those pre-market highs, and I just sold some more at 625. So, just overall nice solid gains to the upside. Good, immediate follow through from buying it here on bar 4. You had a short-term target here. You have a longer-term target above if we would get through this point. So until proven otherwise, I still think we're heading up there. That comes from the weekly chart. After kind of pausing for a few weeks and having a nice green 2-up week, we do have targets to those all-time highs until proven otherwise. We'll see what happens at that inflection point should we get there. And as long as we stay above the weekly open, we stay biased green, and to the buy side in all kinds of ways, looking for opportunities with not only this index but other stocks that make up this index. So continuing higher, nice 2 days up here to give you a nice green looking bar to start the week. We'll have to just see if it continues and holds, and until this weekly chart breaks down, I'm going to be biased to the upside, but there might be a little exhaustion risk after kind of gapping up, big move up, and then today, if you look at it, there was kind of more of a gap up from that close. So at some point you might get a liquidity grab to the downside in some form, but for now, just wanted to highlight we're moving up nicely to the upside with still higher targets above.